this is the bed. It's like these little things are just, they're hollow and they're from this wood. And then we use this wood as the outlining, and then there's moss under it for like, I don't know, just extra comfortable. And then there's this soft stuff. And then there's these two slides. And then there's a bowling alley, which is just, these are the bowling balls and these are the pins, and these are just the aisles separating and stuff. This is like a teepee thing. It's like a house sort of, but like, I don't know, there's just like soft stuff in there, and it has like a shelter at the top. Oh yeah, and just slide, it leads into this stuff. One of those slides, which is supposed to be comfortable. And then, we made a grave.
A grave?
Yeah. She accidentally killed a few bugs, so she made a little grave for them.
Oh. Where?
So, yeah, it's just like right there.
There's some bugs?
No, they're under it.
Uh-huh.
So they were like underground.
Oh, they're still there?
No, they're dead.
Oh.
That's why there's a grave over them. But like, there was one and it had a bunch of eggs over it, and I got scared, so yeah. And then Dylan made this. It's like, there's like a stage and then seats.
Where?
And she put the soft stuff in the different things.
Oh, cool. Nice Fairy Faire, girls. Very cool.